Alright, thank you for clicking on the video. We're in the forest again and I'm taking a little break from the hike. I'm hiking right now to a lake, but it's pretty hard terrain. It's wet, very wet. It's been raining for the last couple of days, and I'm in a new place up north, and yeah, it's a tough terrain. There's a bunch of these blueberries. Leave it 2 weeks and it will be perfect. Alright, so as you can see behind me, the hammock and tarp is up, but it is high time for lunch, so I'm gonna cut up some firewood and get a fire going. Alright, that crazy rain has stopped now, and it's just light rain right now, so I'm gonna get a fire going again. It almost went out, and I'm gonna start to cook up the lunch. as you can tell, it started to rain again. But no thunderstorms this time. See this? This is, oh my god. I gotta hike out of here soon. Nah, but this is scary much rain. So I will end the video here, but thank you guys for watching. And yeah, this was quite a fun adventure. But it was nice to explore a new place, and definitely found a suitable place for a future camp. So yeah, I'm glad I found this spot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.